No.
It's taking me forever to say. Let me see if I get this worth it, buddy. Do you totally love it? I love it.
What does it say? Read it out loud.
It says, to my mommy, mothers hold their children's hands for a short while, but their hearts forever. Happy first Mother's Day. Love, Logan. 2010. Aww, thank you, buddy. Thank you, cutie pie. Look what you got, mommy. Look what you got, mommy, for Mother's Day. Oh, thank you, cutie. Thank you.
He's like, but do I get the wrapping paper?
Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Thank you, cutie. Thank you, buddy. I love you. Thanks, Daddy.
Say bye, buddy. Say bye. All right. See you in the pit. You can have all the wrapping paper you want. There you go. All right.
I love it.
All right. Bye, Mommy.
Bye, Mommy.
We love you, Mommy.